Yeah, yo, so the name is Sam, trying to get in my home, grab the microphone, check 1, 2, coming through like a fucking brew, making you real cool. Yes, I'm a nice dude, it'd be a little rude if I didn't echo you. Yes, I love you the damn audience, I'm just trying to get in it to win it. Can't you get the simplicity of in it? Yo, like electricity, trying to get the spark going on, yeah. I'm flowing over here like Cybertronic. I'm like on it like Tron, call me Roboto Sam, yeah. Fucking coming in like that slam left, right. I keep it real tight with these lines that I'm spinning out to you. Yeah, had a little bit of saliva, yeah, but I'm trying to get real hyphy now, yeah. Call me the life of the party. I get it starting like Bacardi, yeah. I'm going real hard like that rave, yeah. Fucking blowing up like a grenade. I'm so insane that it can't even tame this line. You know I keep fighting, grab the microphone. Yeah, I'm quick like Usain. I'm going so fast, call me Flash. Dropping bombs on you like Hussein. Yeah, fucking spitting out them flows straight off them domes. Trying to get in my zone. Yeah, I'm here to take it home. Let me grab the microphone again. Yo, I'm fucking the one and only MC up in here, trying to get it going with them trees, yeah. Straight from the 323, Ego Rocks dude, it and be improved it if I wasn't rapping for you, yeah. Shit. Fuck, I never get stuck, and I get butt while trying to get you riled up, yeah. Getting real fly like that Cloud9, yeah. I'm feeling real high, never done with that rap, cause I'm from Season, I'm going up to the turbo car every time it drops, yeah. Getting real happy, yeah. I get it cracking over here, get your foot tapping. My name is Sam, never gave a damn about ya. How about that? I said it once and twice. Fuck you thrice. I don't even know